Determine the probability of selecting an ace or a king from a standard deck of 52 cards. So that will be the probability of choosing an ace plus the probability of selecting a king minus the probability of selecting an ace and a king. Remember, of course, that we're only selecting one card. The probability of choosing an ace, well, there are 4 aces in the 52 card deck. There are also 4 kings. And this, of course, is an interesting one. What is the probability of drawing an ace and a king from a single draw from the deck of 52 cards? Of course, it's 0, because we don't have any aces that are kings or vice versa. And this just means, of course, that drawing an ace and drawing a king are mutually exclusive events. So, well, we can add these two up, and we get 8 out of 52. So the probability of drawing an ace or a king from a deck of 52 cards is just 2 out of 13. We can just basically simplify a little bit. Excellent. Now, what is the probability of drawing a face card or a heart? Same thing, probability of face card plus the probability of drawing a heart minus the probability of face card and heart. So there are 12 face cards. So the probability of drawing a face card is 12 out of 52. There are 13 hearts in the deck. And now, what is the probability of drawing a face card and a heart? How many face cards that are hearts are there? Well, there's only the Jack of Hearts, the Queen of Hearts, and the King of Hearts. So there are 3 face cards that are hearts. So 3 out of 52 is the probability of drawing a face card and a heart. Excellent. So now, let's just figure out what this is. 12 plus 13, 25, minus 3, 22 out of 52, which simplifies to 11 out of 26. So that is the probability of drawing a face card or a heart. Great. Now, finally, what is the probability of drawing a spade or a jack? Very similar, of course. Very similar question. Probability of spade plus probability, sorry, of jack. I can't say probability properly sometimes. And we're going to be subtracting the probability of drawing a spade and a jack. So the probability of drawing a spade, there are 13 spades out of 52 cards in total. Probability of drawing a jack, there are 4 jacks. So 4 out of 52 is the probability. And finally, what is the probability of drawing a spade and a jack? Well, there's only 1 jack of spades, from what I know. So this will be it. 13 plus 4, 17, minus 1, 16. 16 out of 52 is the probability of drawing a spade or a jack. And I can divide top and bottom by 4, so we're going to get 4 out of 13, if I'm not mistaken, by simplifying. That's it.